So we made it up that climb. I think it's about, I don't know, a mile and a half. It's basically just up the fire road. A lot of people do a loop starting with Jeans Trail or Stonehenge and take that up. I like to start with the climb. Also, Jeans Trail is a little much for me for right now in my current fitness, and also getting used to the new bike, and you know, honestly just getting some of my skills back after what I would consider a pretty decent break. Also, I found on trail forks that I had been riding the Waterfall loop and Stonehenge backwards. Now, you know, that's just the trail forks recommended route, but you know, I figured I'd give it a shot. I tend to do a lot of climbing when I ride, so I usually rode up Waterfall. Let's see if it's much more fun riding down. I can't imagine it's not. So anyway, I'm up here. Behind me back here is the entrance to the Blueberry Trail. That'll take you back down to the parking lot, or you know, the parking lot that I parked at. But this is the other little section of the Blueberry Trail that leads into Waterfall. So that's what I'm gonna ride. Tell you what, this new bike makes it a lot more fun, that's for sure. And this way is definitely a blast. Trails are in nice shape, which is usually the case here. Everything drains pretty well. That stump. Oh, a little wide. It's all right. I think this is the way to the Waterfall loop. Never been on this piece of trail. This is like alien land here in northeast Pennsylvania. The Heath Barrens. Oh, thank you. And all the blueberry shrubs. Definitely not the typical landscape that you see. But I guess that's what makes it kind of cool too. A little bit slow because I just don't know this section of trail at all. That's okay there. Almost 50 years old. Nothing left to prove. Just want to ride. Leave the crazy stuff to the young guys who heal.